Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today our special topic is Anushtup Stotras, collection of Anushtup Stotras on Lord Sri Ganesha. There are a number of stotras ranging from tens of stotras to hundreds of stotras, but here we will go one by one. In my first video, we will take up some five to six stotras, Anushtup, rare Anushtup stotras. Of course, the popular one also there. We will take up some rare Anushtup stotras on Lord Sri Ganesha. So I will display the lyrics as usual on the YouTube screen. First I will recite, and in sync with my recitation, the lyrics will appear on the YouTube screen. I am using Video Editor and Movie Maker software, which made this easy. So you can take snapshot and mug up these wonderful shlokas. Later in my upcoming videos, I will give the verbatim meanings also for these stotras. So here I go. Beautiful rare collection of Anushtup stotras on Lord Sri Ganesha. First one. Avaraniyam rupubhir varaniyam karam numah hirambhasya sasindhuram asindhuram aghachidam. I repeat again, first shloka. Avaraniyam rupubhir varaniyam karam numah hirambhasya sasindhuram asindhuram aghachidam. So, moving on, the second shloka, Anushtup Stotra, rare and wonderful stotra on Lord Sri Ganesha. Chalat karna nilodhuta sindhurarunitambaraha jayatyakalepi srujan sandhyamiva gajananaha. I repeat again, second stotra is Chalat karna nilodhuta sindhurarunitambaraha Jayatyakalepi srujan sandhyamiva gajananaha. So moving on, the third stotra is Mata Mahamaha Shailam Mahaktadapitamaham Karanam Jagatam Vande Kantaduparivaranam. This is a quite popular stotra. The meaning is very fantastic. I will take up the verbatim meaning in my upcoming video. I will recite this shloka once again. Mata Mahamaha Shailam Mahattadapitamaham Karanam Jagatam Vande Kantaduparivaranam. So moving on, our fourth shloka is, this is quite popular, anyway I will recite. Vagishadhyastu manasah sarvarthanam-upakrame yamnatva krutakrutyasyuh tam namami gajananam. So that is it. So moving on, one more wonderful stotra. The fifth stotra is Kundali Krutanagendra Khandendu Krutashekara Pindi Krutamahavigna Nirajanamostute. I will recite this once again. Kundali Krutanagendra Khandendru Krutashekara Vindi Krutamahavigna Nirajanamostute. These are wonderful stotras. I will give the verbatim meanings in my upcoming video. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Tipi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Chennai, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. We will take up more wonderful stotras in my upcoming videos. Hari Om Sakti, Jai Shri Ram, Namaste. Thank you.